Monster Hunter Wilds is finally here, and it's not just another sequel. Capcom has redefined what this franchise can be. Open environments, smarter AI, dynamic weather systems, and some of the most jaw-dropping hunts we've ever seen. Is this the best Monster Hunter yet? Let's break it down. 1. Set in the untamed wilderness of the Windward Plains, Monster Hunter Wilds ditches segmented zones for a seamless open world with ecosystems that evolve in real time. You'll face unpredictable monster behavior, terrain that shifts between sandstorms and rain, and creatures that interact with each other in new ways. It feels alive in a way previous titles only hinted at. 2. Combat has been refined, not reinvented, still weighty, strategic, and utterly satisfying. But now, weapon synergies matter more, and terrain manipulation like triggering rock slides or using storms is part of your strategy. New monsters like the Brutist Ushigama or the Serpentine Belahara show off Capcom's creature design at its peak. These aren't just reskins, they have unique ecosystems, behaviors, and even territorial rivalries. 3. Gear progression has gotten a quality of life overhaul. The new dynamic craft tree lets you preview endgame builds early, and materials are now tied to biome-specific traits. 1. Poison resistance, time to venture into the marshlands and track a venomous apex predator. It adds layers of strategic decision-making to how you explore and gear up. 4. Multiplayer is as smooth as ever, with dropping cope and full crossplay across PS5, Xbox Series XS and PC. And for solo players, good news, the AI companions, smarter, more versatile, and fully custom. Your Palico now gives real-time tactical suggestions, and your mount can be used mid-hunt for repositioning. 5. Let's talk presentation. Monster Hunter Wilds might be the best-looking Capcom game ever. 4K textures, fluid animations, and stunning environmental effects. From sandstorms that obscure vision to lighting that changes based on wind patterns. And the new audio engine makes every roar, every clash, feel visceral. You're not just watching the hunt, you're in it. So, is Monster Hunter Wilds worth it? Absolutely. It's bold, ambitious, and pushes the franchise into new territory without losing its soul. Whether you're a veteran or jumping in fresh, this game delivers a next-gen hunting experience with depth, style, and heart. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel for more content and join the war.